Programming the multifunction digital inputs, also known by the letter code MFDI in the Series 5 G+, VG+ manual, will be described. All of the control signal inputs, the digital inputs that are identified by the letters S1 through S8 are programmable. The programming for these is contained in the H01 parameters. Now, this video will be the first in a three-part series describing the programming of these inputs. First, we'll do a quick review. The multifunction digital inputs, the S1s through S8s, are available to be read in the U01-10, and I'm going to access the monitor mode, the U01 here, and we have standard monitor and operation, and we're going to scroll down till I get to what's identified as the input terminal status, the U01-10, and one more time, what you read here on the display, the furthest digit on the right represents the S1 terminal on the terminal strip on the left. So this is terminal input S1. This is terminal S2. Terminal S3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now in my drive demo that I'm using for this discussion, there is no wire connected up to terminal S8, so I can't activate that digit. The U01-10 status, input terminal status, will be used for programming, for wiring, and when the time comes, for troubleshooting. These input terminals, S1 through S8, are controlled or defined in figure 3-1 of your G+, VG+ manual.